Hi, Jordan Hanna from MarineMax Jupiter, and I'm on one of my personal favorite boats. This is a Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. This boat is fresh, just unwrapped out of the shrink wrap. As you can see, we've got a beautiful glacier green hull side color, glacier green underneath the hard top. Just a real pretty boat. Off the back, we've got twin V8 300s. This is one of their best power match boats. We're getting incredible performance out of these. They sip fuel, low RPM cruise, just does everything that you'd want it to do. Pretty exhilarating while underway. This one is equipped with a Mercury joystick system, so any kind of docking type maneuvering in space is just super easy. It takes a lot of the stress out of boating. You see here, you got a real decent cockpit, great space to work a fish with padded bolsters all the way around. But while you're riding out to the spot, you've got a nice fold down transom seat, real thick stainless here on this hinge. And when that's deployed, it feels like a more permanent fixture on the boat rather than a fold down seat. So this boat is set up for cruising, fishing, another one of Whaler's real versatile designs. Got great storage, got some drawers down here that pull out, more tackle drawers on the port side, a sink, which is awesome, super underrated feature to have on a boat. You know, fishing, get your hands all dirty, you can wash them off here real easily. Huge live well for this boat. Massive. Walking up to the helm, you'll see we've equipped this one with a 16-inch NSO screen. Awesome. You can do split screen charts, sonar, everything built in. Got your digital throttle here, joystick, built-in autopilot, auto heading, sky hook. Just the latest and greatest, you know, from Mercury. See here with the windshield, you've got great protection. Press a button, that window opens up there. Vent lets a lot of wind in, so help cool you down while running. You've got a black acrylic door on your glove box up here, which actually kind of acts like a rear view mirror when you're standing. So super neat feature. Ton of storage everywhere. You got a garbage can right under the helm seat. It's one of my favorite options. It's a trolling seat, flip down, so just adds another spot on the boat that you could sit. Huge head. I can stand up in there. You've got storage for your bow table. And then walking up here, you'll see it's a super cool layout for versatility because you can have two people laying out up here. You're down deep in the boat, center line. It's very comfortable while underway. And if you got a couple people sitting here, they're really not in the way at all if you're fishing. And again, with the storage, they're packing it everywhere. Check out this. We call this the garage. Massive amount of storage space. I've actually got steps going down into it. There's a 2 bucket storage area, and then this is lockable rod storage. So you could put the butt of the rod right here. You got a nice strap bungee cord to secure it, and then the tip of the rod goes into the head there. But just a massive amount of space to store. Cushions up front. You've got a table that goes here. This one is equipped with the JL Audio Premium Stereo Package. Got windlass. This boat really has everything, and it's ready to go. So if you want any more information on the boat, please reach out. Again, my name is Jordan Hanna with MarineMax Jupiter. Look forward to hearing from you.